Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO A77s to an Android device. Firstly, open Play Store on both and get free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to operate it, tap on the same options on both devices. Firstly, I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. To close it, click on OK. Nextly, hit Send at the bottom left corner of OPPO and Receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Stick around on your Android and tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no, thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to OPPO device. You can finally click on all of those categories located at the top. To pick multiple files right away, select those dots at the top left corners. If you wish to pick only a couple of files, click on the chosen ones. When you finished, click on Send next to Selected and tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Then choose the best connection way for you. If you want to scan the QR code, click on this scanning icon on an Android next to Input key. Then tap on While using or Only this time and point your Android's camera at the code. If you prefer, input this key, tap on Input key section and type in all of those numbers from OPPO. Then click Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!